Today I am having chorizo. Chorizo is like a sausage that you cook. I actually made it myself. You cook it in a pan, a salted pan, and you like mix it. It got its own oils and greases in there. Then you add eggs in it. Once it's halfway cooked, you put some eggs in there, and you finish cooking the rest of it. And it looks like this. This chorizo, I actually got this from my mother-in-law. She used to make it all the time for us. It's like a breakfast sausage. But yes, that's where I got it from. And it's actually so good. And I got some crema, which is like a sour cream. And I have a bubbly. It's grapefruit flavor this time. So, and I have some tortillas, of course. And I have some jalapenos, the pickled kind. And I have some queso, some cheese. And I am going to start off with a prayer, and then we'll dig in. Amen and amen again. All right, I'm gonna open my drink. And I'm gonna use my straw for it. I actually like the grapefruit. But this is how we eat it. Matter of fact, I didn't even do a thumbnail, y'all. I gotta do a thumbnail first. Take it on my tortillas and do a thumbnail with it. Can't forget my thumbnail. Alright. Now I can dig in. It's basically, you know how you make a taco? And you put everything in. I usually squirt the juice all over it. And add some jalapenos to it. For some reason, I eat the little peppers on the inside of it. Put some cream on it.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, I'm gonna try some bubbly.
Oh, you got your straw to try my bubbly?
Yeah.
Okay. This little girl. So,
It tastes like sparkling water, but not.
Oh, you talking about the drink? You don't like the drink?
It's like, how do I explain it? Let me take another sip. Bye, Mommy.
See ya. I like it. I'm gonna dump some cream on the side so it's easier to dig in. Okay, of course. The camera went out. But I'm still here and I'm still eating, y'all. Okay, look how the sausage look. Real. Matter of fact, pick up a piece and show it. With the egg in it. That's how it looks. And when you get it from the store, I used to get it from the Mexican store. ShopRite has it too, like it has something like that. But I used to go to the Mexican, store and get it, and because they have all the products, the stuff that you usually need. to get with it, so I just go over there, head over there, and just do my thing in the store. It's so tasty. It got so much flavor in it. But I am definitely going to bring new stuff to the channel. All kinds of foods that I never had before. I mean, that didn't happen on this channel before. Mm. Mm. Today I'm going to be recording all day. I don't have too much to do.
We're going to have 2 more videos today. I mean, 1 more video today.
And we're going to make more videos.
All day, every day. We're going to have more videos every day.
You hear her in the background? She's ready. Yeah, guys, they keep me motivated. Keep going, don't give up. Keep doing what I'm doing. Ooh. Because giving up is not an option. So I'm going to try to get one of these videos as much as I can. And eventually, I'm going to start probably another channel for like, just for vlogging and whatever. Because I want to make this just pretty much doing eating stuff. Even if it's like eating games, anything. As long as you're eating something. That's what this channel is about. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Really didn't have much to talk about today. I'm really here just to eat with y'all. We have a breakfast together. Thanks for coming.
Just to eat. Just to eat.
Mm. Mm. Oh. Oh, excuse me. Juice is on there. Definitely, I need some more crema because
Crema, not crema. Crema.
y'all hear me? Crema. That's what I need to crema out. I guess that's my my other voice in the background.
Because you don't know how to say it, so I need to tell you the real deal.
Oh, excuse me.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning. Anybody else really care for this? Like that, like for the kids. Everything is not for everybody, but this is definitely for me. Yeah, I don't know. I had a call that came through. While I was, excuse me, finishing up. But anywho, this is my last bite. Well, not my last bite, my last one. Whew. And for some reason, it seems like when you eat the seasonings, it's not as hot as it is with the regular jalapenos. And definitely because it's pickled. Alright, y'all. But in this video, because I'm actually full.
Post notifications so you know when our next video will be uploaded. Until next time, bye bye.